welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you all my use of the Beach cold process soap, and the technique used in this video will be similar to the All Things Pink cold process soap video that I posted. If you haven't checked that video out, be sure to check it out. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy. Difference in the All Things Pink soap and this soap is the preparation. Again, if you haven't checked that video out, check it out so you know exactly what I'm talking about. So instead of mixing the entire batch, dividing it off, coloring it, and then pouring in the layers, I decided to divide the water solution as well as the fats and then mix them layer by layer. And in doing that, I felt like I didn't have a mixture that was so thick that you didn't have time to do much after that. As you can see here, the batter is really fluid. This is what I wanted for the All Things Pink soap, and I should have stopped stick blending here, which I didn't on parts that I edited out. But even still, it's not as thick as the initial layer for the All Things Pink soap. So here I am repeating each step for the next layer. So that would be measuring out the oils, measuring out the distilled water and the lye, and then mixing it up, mixing the colors essential oil for the next layer. And then I'll continue to do that until we are at the last layer. So y'all see I had to whip out the sieve, right? So sometimes there will be dust or particles floating in your lye solution, and that sieve will just ensure that it doesn't get incorporated into your final bar. Confession time. So this was really not supposed to be a pointy layer soap. This was supposed to be a landscape soap that I was going to call Arizona due to the colors. So I was supposed to tilt the soap mold at an angle, pour the next layer, tilt it at an angle, pour the next layer. But I completely forgot to do that. So we ended up with pointy layers again. And this time it's really not even pointy layers. It's just layers because there are no points really to the layers, but it was still a very, very beautiful soap. mention that attempting the pointy layer technique using a tall and skinny mold is extremely difficult. Not saying that you cannot do it, because I'm pretty sure there are some amazing soapers who are able to achieve pointy layers using a tall and skinny mold. At this moment, I am not one of those soap makers, because honestly, even with a funneled pitcher, you can't really get those small lines deep down in there because the mold is so thin. I think the best way to achieve pointy layers using a tall and skinny mold would be to use a squeeze bottle, but that's just my observation. So after 3 days, I finally decided to unmold this beauty, and even though the recipe did not include sodium lactate because I just forgot to add it, I still ended up with a solid bar. Again, there were 4 colors in total, and let's see what it looks like when we cut into it. Okay, so this is where I just cut the entire loaf, and then I'll eventually show you what the inside looked like after each bar was cut. So just be patient. Good things comes to those who wait. Wait, is it good things comes to those who wait, or good things come to those who wait? I don't know. Either way, just a little while longer and then we'll be at the end. Okay, finally, I present to you views of the Beach Code Process soap. When it came to tidying up the soap, there was not much holes that I had to fill in, so there wasn't much that I had to do. But one thing I really love about this soap, if you look closely in between the layers, to me, it looks like it has like a gradient effect. So towards the bottom of the layer, the color is lighter, and then at the top, it's darker. Do y'all see that? Can you see that? Or is it, you can especially see it on that side. Is that just, do y'all see that, or is it just me? Anyways, so only thing that I had to do was bevel the edges and then just scrape off the top layer for each side, and that was all. Alright, Blooming Beauties, we are headed towards the end of the video, and like all of my videos, you will see the end result of the soap in better lighting once I take the photos. And if you have made it this far into my video, you might as well subscribe since you're already here. No, but for real, I want to say that I truly appreciate your support, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I hope to see you in the daisy fields the next time. Bye bye.